The 2024 Land Rover Range Rover broadcasts style and luxury from every angle. This highly evolved SUV is part British elegance, part extroverted muscle, and part modern tech. The thing looks like it was hewn from a block of solid steel with rounded edges and smooth, arcing lines. And it drives with a similar solidity. 3 powertrain options, including a plug-in hybrid, a conventional hybrid, and a 4.4-liter turbocharged V8, give buyers a broad range of motivational choices. And being a Land Rover, the Range Rover hasn't forgotten its off-road roots. It offers a height-adjustable air suspension, which can yield up to 11.1 inches of ground clearance, though that does seem at odds with its optional 23-inch wheels. Four-wheel steering enables the big SUV to turn sharper than its size would suggest, making parking easier. 2 wheelbases are available, and the longer version offers a third-row seat. Inside, the 2024 Range Rover competes with the best in the business for style and finish quality. Though masterfully executed aesthetically, the Rover's abundance of functions are sometimes hard to find or understand. Still, we like this big SUV for its refined elegance. It's stunningly quiet, smooth, and powerful. It will ford a river 35 inches deep, yet it offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Our expert rating spells out all the opulent details.